Orange again. Got one. No horn, no strobe. Same over there. Nothing. Yeah.
Hey John, this is Dave. I had a horn strobe on the upper level of the gym at the southwest stairwell. The strobe wasn't working.
Did you get in the wrestling room?
I think he did. I didn't have the key. I had my look on the
So the horns were working, right? Just not
No,
the
no, I didn't hear a horn either.
Oh, okay.
I don't think.